Mixed signals or ghosting is not a sign to try harder, but a sign to redirect, realign, and really find the kind of people and prospects who really value you. Hi, I'm a life and leadership coach for women. I help women remember how powerful they are, get comfortable with authentic visibility, and create the kind of abundance that they have always wanted. We are often conditioned to think that if I give more, explain more, communicate more, put in more effort, I may be able to, have this person as my client. But we are never really doing that energetic check with ourselves as to if this is the client who's ghosting or this is the client who is giving me mixed signals, do I really want to work with them because I'm not getting a hell yes from this person, neither a hell no. So the question is, do you want to work with this kind of energy? This is not about the person, but also about the timing where they are in their life. So move on to the next prospective clients. You will be way happier.